To integrate PrestaShop with iPresso, go to the Modules section in the left-hand menu of the PrestaShop panel. Choose the Module Manager. In the Module Manager, navigate to the search bar. Type iPresso and press Search to find our integration. Navigate to the Configure button. You'll be welcomed by the iPresso configuration page. Switch or open your iPresso page in the second tab. Navigate to the Integration Center. Find PrestaShop in the Integrations list and click Activate. You can find it under the E-commerce tab. In the PrestaShop integration page, navigate to the red Activate button in the upper right corner. Choose the necessary consent and approve by clicking the Save button below. You will receive the API key that's required in the PrestaShop configuration. Copy the key and switch back to the PrestaShop tab with the configuration panel. Paste the key in the iPresso API key field and click Save. When you do that, the integration will be enabled. Now go back to the iPresso panel again and synchronize the accounts by clicking Sync Your Data button in the lower right corner. Confirm the synchronization. Here, your PrestaShop has been integrated with iPresso. You can find it in the activated integrations list.